Hi guys, here is how to add or link your long YouTube videos to your shorts. So guys, for you to do that, you have to go over to your YouTube studio. So let me tap on my YouTube studio to open it. So guys can see I'm on my YouTube studio. So let me tap on content. Then let me tap on shorts. So guys can see these are the shorts that I have in my channel. So what you have to do is to choose the short that you want to add your long YouTube videos to. So let me choose one of it. Then you tap on the edit icon at the top. So guys, want to add your long YouTube videos to your shorts, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written related videos. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the long video that you want to add to your shorts. So guys can see these are all the videos that I have in my YouTube channel. So let me go ahead now to choose one of it. Let me choose this one right here. So guys can see I've been able now to link my long YouTube videos to these shorts. So what I have to do now is to tap on save. So guys, let me go over to YouTube now to watch this YouTube short to see if my long YouTube video has been added to it. So let me tap on the YouTube icon. So guys can see here's the YouTube short. So guys, now you can see the title of that my long video right there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it now. So guys can see it has directed me to my long YouTube videos. Now I can now watch my long YouTube videos. So guys, this is how I can actually link your shorts to your long videos.